Need a strong front loader for your Hinomoto 275? Check out the AGRO-TUR 3-section hydraulic front loader, no self-leveling, available with joystick or lever control. This loader is strong, simple and reliable. With 3-section hydraulics, you can easily control the bucket, forks or grapple. No self-leveling means the loader is very durable and easy to use. AGRO-TUR makes loaders for the Hinomoto 275, so you get stability, safety and comfort. We also offer shipping all over Europe, including Spain, Germany, France and other countries. Orders are quick and easy, so your front loader can start working fast. Don't wait, choose AGRO-TUR and make your Hinomoto 275 work safe, strong and reliable for years. Call now 660 616 099.